My name is Adele Schatschneider, and I am an emerging artist based in Calgary, Alberta. I'm exceedingly grateful to have enjoyed the residency at the Fuse 33 Makerspace through the wonderful opportunity created by the International Avenue Arts and Culture Centre. I am a collector of skills. I have a degree in ceramics. I've dabbled in jewelry. I've spent some time in wood shops, including now the Fuse 33 wood shop, where Dale taught me to make this beautiful carving board. And if craft was my jam, then textiles are my bread and butter. Craft is a very slow process, though, and I had started making acrylic jewelry by hand cutting it. However, hand cutting acrylic takes a very long time. You need specific saw blades for it, and drill bits get hot and gummed up when using it, so it's not a very efficient way to work. But I love making jewelry out of non traditional materials. My current theme for my practice is my heart's pumping pure motor oil, and I decided to use the acrylic sheets because I love how you can create an oil slicky look that catches the light by pouring alcohol inks all over it. I also wanted to use steel rebar tie wire to create tension with the acrylic and to make a nod to the labor that goes into oil extraction in Alberta. My practice is fundamentally based on rural production, so oil derricks and those kinds of things. So you will see a lot of oil derricks in my jewelry collection. As it's my heart is pumping pure motor oil, the loom that I created here is a heart-shaped loom. I also had the shuttle made out of the acrylic sheet. And then I was also thinking about all sorts of Alberta-related things. So I explored the bleeding heart collar that you're going to see soon. Bleeding hearts may not be a local plant, but they are almost ubiquitous in Alberta farmyards. Um, I really love that little plant. So many people have emotional ties to it. So it was very special to me to create it. And also, it's a heart and it's bleeding, in my case, oil drops. Bleeding heart leaves are very interesting. There are actually 9 leaflets to make that leaf. So that took a lot of interesting lessons, self-teaching myself how to solder that all together. But I'm pretty pleased with how that's turning out. I also made jewelry. You won't see those pieces yet because I'm still trying to decide how I want to create the hanging device for them. But Alberta roses are going to feature into my work, the oil derricks, and anatomical hearts. That one could get a little sacrilegious eventually. And look at me thinking about what I'm going to do with lasers in the future.